Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 1929 West Bloomfield Road in Honeoye Falls.
This is an amazing new ranch home with over 6 scenic country acres. So let's take a tour.
This is brand new, open one-floor living with a great room featuring a granite kitchen with beautiful well-borne cabinetry, gray stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast bar. Open to a dining area with cathedral ceilings and porch access. And a living area with a gas fireplace, a beautiful stone wall, and mantel. This home also features a first-floor laundry and powder room, plus a separate bedroom wing with 2 spacious bedrooms and a full bathroom, including a master suite with cathedral ceilings and a walk-in closet, all with beautiful hardwood floors and scenic country views. This beautiful architect-designed ranch offers possible additional living space with a lower level. This property is situated on over 6.5 country acres and includes additional storage off the garage and a screened-in porch overlooking the fenced-in yard.
Here we are in the charming village of Honeoye Falls.
It has great restaurants, shops, and of course, the famous Honeoye Falls.
This is beautiful Menonponds Park.
This is the largest park in Monroe County with over 2,500 acres of scenic ponds, groomed hiking trails, and pavilions for picnics. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1929 West Bloomfield Road in Honeoye Falls.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!